Check out this archway. We are at the Blue Hole waterfall. That's a part of it down there, and I'll be getting closer to it. Look at that reflection through there. Ain't that big hole in that tree cool? So I got down here at the bottom just to show you this whole dam here. And there you see the waterfall. And look at a nice reflection. Isn't that a nice setup? I hope you think so. I know I like it. Look at that reflection. Very colorful, huh? I know I like it. Check out these little waterfalls here. And that, of course, is the big one. I've gotten this close out here to this.